Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel. Peter! Boom, 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 boom. Review stuff. And I am at Starbucks and this is another Starbucks review. And I am so excited and I am reviewing today. I'm so excited. Oh my God. I am reviewing the... Shut it up right now. I've had it with you. All you do is talk. You haven't stopped talking for 24 hours. I am doing the Sally Frappuccino from the Nightmare Before Christmas. Let me fix her hair for her. Come on, Sally. It was so funny. I just drove up next to this car, right? And they had these Nightmare Before Christmas stickers in the car. And it was these two girls and they had their windows down. And so I rolled up next to them. They couldn't see Sally. And I said, I love the stickers in your car. And you can see Sally on that side. And she goes, oh, thanks. She goes, on the other side I have Jack. That. She goes, on the other side I have Jack. And I go, ah! This thing is so hilarious. So anyway, we're gonna go through here, me and Sally, and we're gonna order the Sally Frappuccino. Now, let me tell you, okay, what? She has a crush on Josh, so we're hoping that Josh is here today, because she has some things she wants me to say to him. Okay, what? Sally, you have Jack. Okay, so anyway, here it is on totallythebomb.com. Let me get to it. I sense there is something in the wind. It must be this. It's Secret Sally Jesse Raphael. Shh. It must be the Secret Sally menu Starbucks Frappuccino. I've literally lost my mind. I'm sitting in a car with a doll, having the time of my life. You should too, okay? Life is short. This is not a dress rehearsal. Do things that make you happy. It simply split me in pieces when I saw this Frappuccino. It's as pretty as it is sweet. And I have to tell you, it's like green and it has like the whipped cream on top of it and then strawberry. It doesn't look very pretty to me. They've taken a simple vanilla bean Frappuccino and turned it into Halloween greatness. The combinations are pure perfection and simply meant to be. Okay, hold on a second. To order this sweet drink, start with a vanilla bean Frappuccino, add some matcha powder to the blender, and make sure they put caramel drizzle in the cup. I don't say caramel because y'all come for me. Top it with whipped cream, strawberry puree, and what they call strawberry inclusions, freeze-dried strawberries. While you're there, you can also try a Jack Skellington Frappuccino, a Frankenstein Frappuccino, or an It Frappuccino. All just in time for Halloween. We've done all those. Okay. So I also have a new Starbucks cup that I was sent by Elle Leary. I love her so much. Go check out her channel, Elle Leary Artistry. She is fantastic. I love Elle. So I have a new cup. It's all rinsed out and ready to use. Okay. You ready, Sally? She said, I'm ready. I don't have my red glasses on. Y'all know who Sally Jesse Raphael is. Let me, hold on. She likes it when you pat her hair. Don't we all, though? Okay. This person has a bumper sticker on their car that says, The Blue Moon Review. I've never, what am I doing? Hi.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can we get started for you?
I'd like to get a venti iced coffee with one equal. I have my own cup.
Okay.
Oh, we do voices.
Oh my God, it's Peter.
Okay.
Please make. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
One equal, no classic in your own cup. What else can we get for you?
We're doing a drink. We're doing a drink today. Okay. This is the Sally drink from the Nightmare Before Christmas.
Okay.
I need to get a grande vanilla bean Frappuccino.
Okay.
Add some matcha powder to the blender.
Okay.
Make sure they put caramel drizzle in the cup.
Okay. Like in the cup, you said?
Yeah.
Okay.
A bee just flew into my car. Okay. Top it with whipped cream.
Okay.
Strawberry puree.
Okay.
And what they call strawberry inclusions, freeze-dried strawberries.
Okay, I know what you're looking for. Hold on.
Can you do that?
I sure can.
Oh, you're the magician.
Well, not me today. I'm just taking the order. Jacob will be making your drink for you.
Well, Sally had some questions for you, but I guess she can ask Jacob.
Wow.
Jacob.
This is an expensive one, Peter. You're at $11.22 today.
Okay. Well, it's worth it. It's worth it. I'll see you up there.
All right.
Okay. Okay, I turned it off because there was a long line. So we're almost up. Sally's been telling me all of her secrets. She said, listen, she said, she does love Jack, but they're in an open relationship. Oh my God, family friendly. Okay, we don't need to know all that. She's got a crush on Josh and Jacob. So.
Hello. Oh my gosh. That's pretty good.
Now, Sally has some questions for you. Here, we have to pay first.
Okay, here, hold on.
She wants to know if you're religious.
I am not. I'm agnostic.
Because you're the answer to all her prayers.
That wasn't even... Yeah. I thought we were starting our interview early.
We are doing it. I'm getting my interview ready. And then she also has another question for you.
Yeah.
Let me situate her. Are you a parking ticket? Because you have fine written all over you. Sally, you and your lines.
Where are you pulling these up even?
Well, I looked on this website called Corny Pickup Lines. Why wouldn't you?
On the top with the strawberry included on top of the whipped cream. Sorry, I'm directing traffic.
She wants to give you a kiss.
What? Oh, all right. Thank you, Sally. May I have your cup, Peter?
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
It wouldn't be a day if I didn't come through with some ridiculousness. Where's Jacob?
He is making your Frappuccino.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Strawberry puree goes on top of the cream.
They got all kinds of stuff going on in there. There's Sam. Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good.
Are you having a good day?
I had class this morning.
Sally has a question for you.
Does she?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Are you religious? Because you're the answer to all her prayers.
Oh my goodness. That's funny.
She's looking for love in all the wrong places.
Yeah,
That means you. You're the wrong place.
maybe. Yeah, I'm just reading your paper.
Sally, you're quite the flirt, aren't you, Sally? Oh, here it comes. Oh my God, it looks exactly like the picture. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Bye, Peter.
Next
Bye, Sally.
Thursday is, I'm looking at next Thursday for you and I.
Thursday's good.
Okay. That's not your birthday though, right?
No, the
Okay.
day before. Wednesday.
Okay. Okay. See you later. Bye. Thank you. Okay, Sally, come on now. You're falling, gal. For me. She said none of those pickup lines were for you. Are you so stupid you didn't even realize that? I am kind of stupid. They say I'm slow and I believe it too. Okay, I kind of just like showing her to people when I'm driving by. Ow! Damn it, Sally! This would be such a great place to do my review right here, but the problem is I'm like in the middle of a street. Okay, so I need to find a place where there is some shade. Okay. Sally, are you ready to taste your drink? She said, I am so ready. I am so ready to feel myself. Taste, oh my God, family friendly. To feel my oats, to taste myself. I'm so ready. Okay. Here it is. I'm gonna show it to you. Are you ready? Okay, here it is. Look at that. It looks really good. It has all those strawberries on it. It is kind of spooky how she just looks right at you, doesn't she? Hi. How are you? Okay, are you ready, Sally? You hated it. Why'd you hate it? She said, I don't even think that tastes good at all. Get my name off that thing. Well, I'm sorry, but you're a brand. Okay. Now, see, I love matcha anything. I love green tea matcha, the matcha powders, all that kind of stuff. I love it. So if you do, you'll like this because it tastes like a matcha smoothie is what it tastes like. I can taste the caramel in it though too. This is really good. You want to taste it again and try it? She does not like it. Sally! Nibble, nibble, my lord. You're getting a little too close for comfort. I have a husband. She said, so do I. What's your point? Family friendly. Oh my God. Okay. This is actually really pretty good. But it really just does taste like the vanilla bean Frappuccino, but with matcha in it. You can really hardly taste the strawberries and stuff. Here, let's get some strawberries going on here. Can you help me? My God. Okay, here. All I want is one dang strawberry. Do people say dang anymore? I say it all the time. My mom used to say it. Okay, I'm gonna give this, listen, I gotta do the Starbucks reviews out of 5. Okay, so yesterday I did a 10-point scale, and a lot of people were like, would you keep it to the 5-point scale because restaurants are 5 points? Would you let me know in the comment section below if you guys want 10-point or 5-point scales? I'm gonna give this a 4.3. I kind of wish you could taste the strawberry a little bit more, in all honesty. Like, I would order this. Like, it's that good. But I just wish you could taste the strawberry a little bit more. Yeah. I'm giving it a 4.3. Sally gave it a 0. She said she hated it. She said, that tastes like S-H-I-T. I don't like it. Get it away. So anyway, I will be back tomorrow with another review. A lot of people have been asking for the As Seen on TV thing, so I'm gonna try to find something that is As Seen on TV tomorrow and review it. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.